Hi everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to do YouTube SEO. If you already have a YouTube channel or if you are just trying to create a YouTube channel and want to make it your best business model or you want to scale it up to the next level, this session is very important to you. Make sure you're attentive, make sure you're with pen and paper so that you won't miss any important points which can help you in growing your YouTube channel. So let's get started in this video. So the first important thing is I just want to share this with everyone. Okay, Socrates says one important thing. Okay, I know you won't believe me, but the highest form of human excellence is to question oneself and others. You might be thinking why this is important in this video. Okay, even before you start a YouTube channel, even before you learn this things, okay, you need to first question yourself why you are starting this, why I am starting this, what is the reason behind it. Is it for money? Is it for branding? Is it for some other thing? You should have a strong why. If you don't have a strong why, you procrastinate and you leave it in the middle. It happened with me as well, so I don't want it to happen to you. So I just want to say this even before I start the session. Okay, just question yourself why you want to start a YouTube channel, why you want to make it your best source, okay, best social media platform where you can express your views and ideas. Okay, this is very important thing. Okay, so before going into the things, okay, I just want to share you some statistics. Okay, why YouTube, why you only have to start a YouTube channel. Of course you can do some other things as well, but why you actually have to start a YouTube channel, that too in this year. Okay, so let me share you some simple statistics. Okay, the total number of monthly active users is 2 billion. Total number of daily active YouTube users, you can see the number over here. Total TV paying subscribers 1 million. Average mobile viewing session, okay, number of videos watched per day, okay, hours of videos uploaded per minute, 500 minutes uploaded per minute on all over the world. Okay, and moreover everything, okay, you should know this thing. Okay, after Google, okay, YouTube is technically the second largest search engine in the world. Okay, even for example, if you want to learn something, okay, if you want to learn cooking, okay, or if you want to learn any sports, the number one thing which you go is YouTube, because you can see the video at your own comfort, you can learn it very quickly. Okay, so YouTube is technically the second largest search engine in the world, so you know its importance and you know why to start. Okay, so even before we go into this, I just want to frame one thing in your mind, why you are starting this. If you have a strong why, then you will take it very seriously. Okay, so let's get back to this YouTube SEO thing. Okay, so the number one thing, okay, you need to know is your YouTube channel branding. Okay, lot of people say that create a channel, upload videos every minute, then you will get success one day. Even before you do that, you need to know some simple things which can help you to brand your channel a unique channel. Okay, if you want to get success in YouTube or any other business, you need to be unique. Okay, so how to brand your YouTube channel so that people recognize you as a brand. Okay, so I'll just go to my YouTube channel. Even I have not shown much interest in growing my YouTube channel, but this year I took a pledge to grow my YouTube channel as well with you all. Okay, so I just opened my channel. Okay, and I just go to this. Okay, I just go to your channel. Okay, I just clicked on my profile picture and I'm going to your channel. Okay, okay, so now you can see the number one thing which you need is a YouTube profile photo. Okay, you can see the profile photo of me over here. Okay, so you can just edit it and you can keep your own profile picture. Okay, same like WhatsApp, Facebook, you should not leave this empty. Okay, many people leave this empty. Okay, you should not leave this empty. Just keep your own profile picture, which is your good looking, high quality profile picture, so that people can recognize you. Yeah, this person is Kadam Sacharan, so that people can recognize you as well. Okay, and the second important thing is YouTube cover photo. Okay, you can see the cover photo over here. Okay, so you have to edit this cover photo as well. Okay, the number one tool I recommend everyone to edit this cover photo is canva.com. Okay, like lot of you people already know Canva. Okay, so I don't have to explain everybody, but I just don't want to miss everything which can be helpful to you. Okay, so when you go to Canva, and here you can type YouTube. Okay, YouTube channel art. Okay, so here you can edit your YouTube cover photo. Okay, I'm not going into much detail on how to edit it, because there are tons and tons of videos on this, how to edit your cover picture on YouTube only. Okay, so I just don't want to go into that deep, because you can get that information very easily. Okay, so you can go and you can edit it. Okay, but I'm saying you, it should be so professional. Okay, if you don't have that video editing skill, if you don't have certain you don't have that skills, okay, to edit that videos, edit that photo, edit that text, everything, you don't have to worry. Okay, if you don't know, outsource it with money. Okay, I say this to everyone. Okay, if you don't have a skill, if you want to get it done fast, if you want it for sure, just outsource it. Okay, just go to a website called fiverr.com, which everybody know. Okay, just type here YouTube cover photo. Okay, YouTube cover photo. Okay, and you can see the first thing you have to see, it should be a 5-star rating. Okay, so here he or she have 5-star, and the cost is very less. Okay, it's very affordable. Okay, I'm not recommending anyone, but the thing is, you just have to go, you just have to look for some person, you just have to look the reviews. It should be 5-star or 4.9. Okay, and they will do it for you in a highly professional way, because those people are doing it for years. They have a graphic designing experience of more than 5 years, 10 years. Some people even have 15 years of experience into graphic designing, so that they can do a better YouTube cover pic with a good dimensions and everything. Okay, so make sure you opt for this if you don't have that skill, if you don't have time to do all these things. Okay, the number one thing is you can outsource it, but the thing is you have to get it done for sure. Don't procrastinate that I'm unable to do it, so I leave it. If you leave it, then branding will not happen for you. Okay, so you just have to understand that simple thing. Okay, so the first thing I explained you is you should have a YouTube profile photo for sure, and the second important thing is you should have a YouTube cover photo, and the third important thing is channel settings. Okay, so when you go to your YouTube channel, okay, and go to your videos. Okay, so when you go to your videos, okay, so just wait for it to load. Yeah, so when you go to your videos, you can see all the videos which has been uploaded by you. Okay, and here you can find the option called settings. Okay, so just click on that settings. Okay, and here you can keep the currency USD or anything. Okay, mainly you can keep USD. Okay, and go to this option, second option, channel. Okay, channel, and in the keywords, okay, you have to keep keywords which is related to your niche. Okay, if you are into other niche like gaming niche, other niche, okay, health and fitness niche, okay, you have to keep the keywords related to your niche. Okay, if you're into health and fitness, you can keep fitness, okay, belly fat, or any other thing, any other keywords which you can keep according to your channel, so that YouTube will recommend your videos to the people who are interested in these keywords. Okay, you should not keep it empty, you should fill it. Okay, what I do, I generally do JVZoo products review, some make money online ish videos, affiliate marketing videos, some other videos, okay, bonus videos, okay. So I just kept that keywords what I do. So in the same way you have to keep your keywords as well, okay. So just do that, okay. You can keep a keywords up to 10 to 15, okay. So country you can keep or you cannot keep, okay. You don't have to think a lot about it, you can keep it empty like me as well, okay. And you can just click on save, okay. So these are the simple channel settings you have to know. That's it. You don't have to think a lot, you don't have to research a lot, okay. So just for your channel branding, these three elements are very, very important. The first one is YouTube profile photo, and the second one is YouTube cover photo, and the third one is you have to do some channel settings so that YouTube can recommend your videos to the people who are interested in your niche, okay. So just understand that, don't neglect it. Even before you do a video, make sure you complete all these things, okay. Because if you don't complete all these things and you expect some miracles will happen in your channel, it won't happen. You have to do some background steps so that you will frame yourself as a brand, okay. So the next important thing is YouTube algorithm secrets, okay. Lot of you people know how Facebook works, Instagram works, but lot of people don't know how YouTube works, because we just watch YouTube videos, but many people don't do YouTube, so that you don't know about it, okay. The number one reason why people don't know about YouTube algorithm, because they won't create lot of content on YouTube. They create on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, you know how it works, but in YouTube you don't know, okay. So the number one thing which can help you in making your videos to rank high is keywords, okay. What type of keywords you use in title, description, tags, how it works I'll explain you in some minutes, okay. But the thing is, I'm just giving you overview of what is the criteria of getting your videos ranked on YouTube, okay. So the number one thing is keywords, okay. The keywords which you use in title, description and tags, okay. These three are very, very important in ranking your videos higher, okay. And the next important element which can help your video to rank high is your spoken words. This lot of people don't know. 70 to 80% of the people don't know about this, okay. When you are doing a video on something, okay, you have to make sure that you spell the keywords multiple times in the video. If you are doing a video on fitness, okay, like you can expect on push-ups, okay, on push-ups you are doing a video, so you have to make sure that you are saying that word with your mouth. You have to say that words in the first 20 seconds. In the first 20 seconds, you have to say keyword with a voice, so that YouTube algorithm will find that it is the specific video which has been made for push-ups, okay. I hope you people are understanding what I am trying to convey. You just have to speak the keyword in the video multiple times, so that YouTube will suggest your video to the specific people whom you are targeting, okay. And the next important thing is uploading with keyword as a file name, okay. I'll show you this practically, but initially I'm just giving you an overview of how it works, okay. Uploading with keyword as a file name, okay. Whenever you upload any video to YouTube, okay, the file name is completely different, okay, but you have to change that file name to the keyword which you are using to rank, okay. So in my channel, okay, like you can see one video, okay, how to grow a powerful personal brand, okay. You can see the video over here, how to grow a powerful personal brand. So I have to keep my file name also how to grow a powerful personal brand, so that it can help somewhat. I'm not saying it works 100%, but at least 0.5 to 1% it can help you in ranking your video higher, okay. And the thumbnail which you use, okay, everybody know what is thumbnail, okay. The thumbnail which you use also helps in SEO, okay, which can help your videos to rank high, okay. Thumbnail, it should be attractive, it should motivate people to click on that video and watch that video, Okay, in that also the same thing which I said you, if you don't know how to do, you can outsource it on Fiverr. Okay, don't stress yourself in the things which you don't know. Instead, make it work by paying money. Okay, initially, at least initially, if you want to grow your YouTube channel, invest in some tools, invest in something, so that your probability of getting success in YouTube will be so high. Okay, and the next thing is outsider traffic. Okay, so you're doing video and you just expect some miracles will happen. It won't happen. You have to promote your video on different platforms, on Facebook, WhatsApp, to your known people. You have to share your video, so when they watch the video, then YouTube will suggest your video to other people as well. Okay, the number one thing which can help your video to rank high is your watch time. How many people are watching your video? This is very important. Okay, and the next thing is CTR. Okay, click through rate. How many people are clicking on your video? Okay, how many people are watching your video? Okay, how many hours people are watching your video? And engagement, how many people are liking your video, commenting on your video, is very important. This will happen when your content is good. Why people engage on your content, why people like your video, why people comment on your video? Because your content should be good. Okay, and watch time, why people will watch your video so high? The content should be good. Okay, so these are some important things which you need to know. Okay, at least you need to know that these are the things which can help my video to rank higher on YouTube. So every time I am saying rank higher, what is rank higher? Okay, because a lot of you people might be having this doubt. Okay, I just don't want anything to leave behind. Okay, so I'll just open my channel. Okay, not channel, a search. Okay, and I will just WP toolkit. Okay, WP toolkit review. Okay, so here you can see my video is ranking second. Okay, ranking second for this keyword. Okay, ranking in the sense where your video is your video in the first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place? Because if your video is so low, if your video is here, if your video is here, okay, then a lot of people might not watch your video. Because whenever you open YouTube, okay, you search for first 1 2 3 4 5, up to this it's okay. If your video is ranking on the top 5, then you are doing good videos, then you're in a good direction. But if your video is so low, okay, initially it can happen, initially your video might rank so down, but when you create the content consistently, then your probability of increasing your video ranking will be high. Okay, so just try to understand. Okay, so I hope you understood what is ranking your videos. Because why I'm explaining this simple word, because I just don't want you to miss something. Okay, so yeah, I hope you understood what I'm trying to convey in this video. Okay, so these are some of the things. I'll explain this in detail in the next few slides. Okay, but I have just given an overview of how it actually works. The next important thing is keyword research. I said you, yeah, keyword helps in ranking your video high, but I have not said you how to do a YouTube keyword research, how to do it. Okay, for that you need two important tools. Okay, the two important tools are, okay, I'll open slides, wait. The two important tools are Google Sheets. Okay, Google Sheets, and there is a tool, Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. Okay, Keywords Everywhere. Okay, so I'll just open Google and I'll just type, okay, Keywords Everywhere. Okay,
So now we are getting into YouTube keyword research. As I said you earlier, keywords are very important in ranking your videos higher. Okay, so there are few things which I want to share with you on how to do the keyword research. Okay, the first, and you need two important tools for this. Okay, the first important tool is called Keywords Everywhere. Okay, it's a Chrome extension. Okay, when you go to Google and when you just type Keywords Everywhere, okay, when you go to Google and just type Keywords Everywhere, you can see the site over here. Okay, and actually before 1 year this extension was free for everyone. Okay, this extension is free. Okay, but now it has some price tag. Okay, it's just $10, okay, for 1 year, and 1 lakh credits is enough for everyone to use it for 1 year. Okay, so if you are doing business, if you are doing something, so you need to invest in yourself. Okay, you need to invest in the tools which is very easier to use, which can make your life easier. Okay, because there are other things which you can do it for free as well, but it consumes a lot of time and energy. Okay, so why you have to waste your time and energy for other things which are free? Why you want to look for alternative? Okay, this extension which a lot of top marketers, top YouTubers use for their keyword research. Okay, I recommend you like purchasing this tool. Okay, I won't get anything if you purchase. I'm just recommending you. Okay, use this tool. Even I am also using. See, I have 85,483 credits left. I can use it for 1 year. Okay, so just go and just purchase it. Okay, and I will say you the other alternative which is for free also, but I recommend you, if you have money, just invest in this tool. Okay, I will show you how this tool works and why I'm recommending this tool. Okay, and the second important tool I recommend you is Google Sheet. Okay, so why Google Sheets? Okay, it is for listing down all the keywords. Okay, I will show you what keywords and how to use it. Okay, I'll open the YouTube. Okay, okay, so YouTube keyword research. Okay, so the first method is called ABC method. Okay, YouTube search terms ABC method, which is used for keyword research. Okay, now I'll go to YouTube. Okay, now I'll just type. Okay, I'll just type email marketing. Okay, email marketing. Okay, now you can see all the statistics over here. Okay, email marketing tutorial, beginners, kaise kare, Hindi tools and everything. Okay, and here you can see some statistics. Okay, 390 per month, 480 per month, 20 per month, 260 per month. You might be wondering what is this. Okay, these are the search terms. These many people are searching this keyword every single month. Okay, so what volume you have to select? Okay, anything less than 500 search volume is a low search keyword, and the chance of ranking higher is so high. Okay, so you have to target keywords which is less than 500. Okay, again I'm repeating, you have to target low search volume keywords so that you will rank high. Okay, so anything less than 500 is a great thing to do. Okay, so now you can see one keyword called email marketing get response, uh, which is around 390 searches per month. So email marketing get response, so I'll just type. Okay, email marketing. Okay, get response. Okay, I got one keyword. Okay, I got one topic too. Okay, so what is the next one? Email marketing tutorial. Okay, so I will just type. Okay, email marketing tutorial. Okay, and the next thing, what is the next keyword? It is email marketing Hindi. I don't want to do in Hindi. Okay, email marketing for beginners, 260 per month. Okay, because it is less than 500. Okay, so what is this? Email marketing tutorial, email marketing for beginners. Okay, email marketing for beginners. Okay, and what's the next thing? Email marketing tools. Email marketing tools is greater than 500, so I don't select that. Okay, email marketing course 1600, I won't select that. I won't select all these things. So after it's over, now what you have to do, type A. Okay, type A. Okay, and check the keywords. Email marketing affiliate products, 10 searches per month. Okay, I'll select that. Email marketing affiliate products. Okay, email marketing affiliate products. Okay, I'm showing you very slowly so that you understand everything in detail. Okay, and the next thing is email marketing Amazon affiliate. No, I don't want to select email marketing affiliate program. I can select. Okay, email marketing affiliate 8720. Even I can select email marketing app, email marketing analytics. Now A is over. After that, type B. Okay, you can see email marketing basics, email marketing business. Okay, email marketing Bangla. I don't know Bangla. Okay, email marketing ClickBank, email marketing case study, email marketing candidate examples, email marketing campaign tutorial. Okay, 77 only. Okay, email marketing career. After that, after C is over. Now D. Okay, okay, email marketing drip campaigns, email marketing dashboard, email marketing dead, email marketing digital. Okay, I'll just note it down. Okay, after that D E, I'll just type E. Email marketing earn money. Okay, email marketing explained, email marketing expert, email marketing e-commerce. After E F. Okay, so now what I'll do, I have to go from A to Z. Okay, firstly I have to type any keyword. Even if you're into any niche, if you're into fitness niche, if you're into any other niche, this thing works for you. Okay, so this is the best way to do a keyword research. Okay, a lot of people say you go to that software, this software, use that. Yeah, of course you can use. I will show you the alternative of this also, but here you are saving a lot of time, because saving time in business is very very important, so that you can use that valuable time for some other productive work. So that's why I'm recommending you to invest in this tool called Keywords Everywhere. Okay, Keywords Everywhere. Okay, invest in that. Okay, so that your life will become easier. Okay, you can do a keyword research very very easily. Okay, so I hope you understood what is ABC method. Okay, you just have to go to YouTube. Okay, you have to just see the searches which are less than 500 searches per month. Okay, so that are the low competition keywords. The competition is very very less in those keywords. Okay, you can see the competition score and everything. Okay, so the competition will be low. Okay, and so what is your main goal? Okay, your main goal is 20% of the videos you have to go for high search volume. What is high search volume? Greater than 500. Okay, like I will show you now. I'll type only email marketing. Okay, here you can see email marketing tools. It is 9,900 people are searching every single month. Okay, the competition is very high, but I will do this video also. Only 20% of the videos, viral videos or good view videos, I'll just make only 20% of the videos. 80% of the videos I'll just target low competition keywords. Okay, which are less than 500. Okay, now this email marketing tutorial is 480, less than 500, less than 500, less than 500. Okay, but 20% of the videos, if I make like 10 to 20 videos in a month, 5 videos I'll make videos which are very very high viewed. Okay, which is already having a competition that I couldn't rank, but I will do that videos because it will help in your branding. Okay, it will help in your branding, and people who are watching those videos, okay, which are highly competitive, there's a higher probability that they can watch your videos also. Okay, I hope you understood what I'm trying to convey. Okay, 20% of the videos you just make, the the searches are 500 per month, more than 500. Here you can see the searches. How I can see these searches? Because of this Keywords Everywhere tool. Okay, okay, and the next important thing, okay, you can use Google Sheet for listing out all these things. Okay, listing out all these things. So this is email marketing topic, and the next thing is I will search for other topic called affiliate marketing, and the next thing is I'll target keyword make money online. Next thing, so as I said, you can use this for any niche. Okay, if you're into health niche, fitness niche, gaming niche, or any niche, you can get all the topics very very easily because of this Keywords Everywhere tool, because of this YouTube search terms. Okay, it saves you a lot of time. Okay, and there are other ways also which I'm going to explain in the next few minutes. Okay, yeah, here we are. Okay, fine. So So I already said you 20% of the videos you have to make it for high volume and 80% low volume. Okay. And the next thing which you can use is vidIQ extension. Okay. There is one extension called, okay, if you open any video, okay, I'll open my video, WP Toolkit Traffic Guard, okay, review. Okay. When you open any video, okay, you can see all the statistics, okay, the channel, how many views this video got, how many keywords I have used, when I have added, okay, what is the highest views, okay, what is the date, what is the competition, okay, everything you can get by this tool called vidIQ. Okay, vidIQ tool. Okay, so you can just use that tool for some analysis of the videos. Okay, so when you go to Google and just type vidIQ, okay, vidIQ, okay, and you can just get the tool over here. Okay, it's a Chrome extension. Okay, you can see the extension of me over here. Okay, you can use the same extension as well. Okay, so yeah, so and then next thing I said you, Google Sheets. Okay, Google Sheets you have to use for listing down all the keywords. You get the keyword ideas, topic ideas, and everything. Many people say me topics. How can I get topics? This is a way to get topics. Okay, so yeah. So pro tip, okay, target keywords of less than 500 searches. Okay, when you target keywords which are less than 500, if only 500 people or less than that are searching per month, your chance of ranking your videos will be high. What is ranking? Okay, see, when I type WP Toolkit, this tool, okay, this keyword, WP Toolkit review, okay, my video ranking on second. Okay, so this video ranking on top, this video ranking on 3. Okay, so if your video comes in first top 5, okay, then it is ranking high. Okay, so you have to make sure that your video always ranks in the top 5, because below top 5 there's a low chance that people will watch your videos. Okay, so you have to make sure that your video ranks on the top. So how to do that, I'm going to explain in a few minutes. Okay, so I hope you understood what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so the next important thing is creating content and video. Okay, so everybody know intro and outro. Okay, there is some animation comes in front of the video, okay, which helps in your branding. Okay, some animation with a logo you might have seen in many top YouTube channels. Okay, so I recommend you to using that, because when you use that, it helps in your personal brand. Okay, so if you don't know how to do it, just go to a site called fiverr.com, and here you can just type, okay, uh, YouTube, okay, intro. Okay, when you type YouTube intro, okay, you get a lot of people are providing this service at very affordable cost. Okay, I will 384 rupees. Okay, so you can just look for some affordable amount and from good reviews and 4.9 rating, it's very good. Okay, you can select anything, okay, based on your budget. Okay, because if you don't know how to do it, the best thing is to outsource it. Okay, because a lot of people don't outsource it. Okay, but the best thing to get the things done is by outsourcing. Okay, don't waste your time in the things which you don't know. Okay, if you can't do it, if you don't have time, just outsource it with money, but get the thing done. That is very important. You have to make the thing work. Okay, and start video with excitement and hook them till the end. Don't give all the information at the start. Focus on showing your attractive character first. Don't be boring. Okay, what is starting video with excitement? A lot of people start like this. Hi everyone, my name is Kadam Sacharan. In this video, I am going to say you how to do email marketing in an effective way. So first of all, go to the get response account. If you say in this tone, in this without my face is so like in a serious face, if I just talk in this way, people will leave my video. Okay, how you have to start? I'll say you now. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to do email marketing, which have been recommended by a lot of top marketers. Make sure you attend this video till the end so that you get a special coupon code on how to use this email marketing tool, and you can get 50% discount as well. So the first thing you have to do, so I just got somewhat over, but the thing is, you have to start with some excitement. You have to show your energy to people so that people become interested in your video. Okay, you have to show your attractive character. You have to be different. You have to be unique. Don't be boring. Okay, every time you have to maintain that interest, maintain that excitement throughout your video so that people will watch your video till the end, because the number one criteria of ranking your video on top is by watch time. How much time people are watching your videos. Okay, hook story offer, hook in the sense what you have what attractive you have made so that people will be attracted to click on your video and watch it. Story, what story you are saying in the video. Offer, what offer you are selling. Okay, hook story offer. Okay, so the next thing is use good camera. I don't have to say that nowadays in every phone back camera is very very good. If you can't afford camera, you can use phone's gap camera. Okay, phone's back camera. Okay, and audio is the most crucial part in the video. A lot of people say that yeah, I have to create a channel. Okay, my video clarity should be good, but a lot of people don't focus on audio clarity. Okay, audio clarity is very very important in people watching your video or not watching your video. Okay, that decides your video clarity, or people, whether people will watch your video or they skip your video. Okay, so your audio clarity should be very very good. Mainly I use Boya M1 mic. Okay, I don't know where it is. Yeah, Boya M1 mic. I think it cost around at that time I just bought it 1 year or 2 years back. At that time it was around 700 rupees, like that. It's very affordable. Okay, it's very affordable, so you can use that mic because it's just cost is very very low and you can use it for years. Okay, so because your audio clarity is very very important in your YouTube video. Okay, I am not saying invest some in good cameras, but at least audio clarity should be good. Okay, you can use as per your requirement. Okay, for screen recording you can use a software called OBS Studio. Okay, you can see OBS Studio software. Okay, for screen recording, like this. Now I am recording screen. Okay, and Camtasia, or Camtasia, it's a paid software. Or Zoom also. Okay, Zoom is also a software. Okay, now I am recording on Zoom. Okay, Zoom is also a software where you can get first 45 minutes for free. You can record it, you can export the file, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so these are the tools which you can use for screen recording. Okay, getting back to the basics. Okay, to never run out of the content. Okay, instead of knowing all these things, again a lot of people say me that yeah, you have said everything, but how do I create content? Because I'm not so skilled, I'm not so talented, I don't know good English. How can I do that? How can I do videos which are very very effective, which can compete with some top people? It's very very simple. Okay, I say this every single time. Expert is not only someone who creates something. Okay, expert is also someone who makes existing thing better. Okay, I say this in my every webinar which I take. Okay, Thomas Alva Edison invented electric bulb a few hundred years ago, not few hundred, some years ago. Okay, Thomas Alva Edison, so he's an expert. He invented something, he invented electric bulb. But after few years, what have come? LED bulb. So what happened? They took that knowledge and they made some advancement in that knowledge. So you have to do the same thing. You don't have to invent something. Just take the knowledge, just take the electric bulb and make it LED bulb. That's all you have to do. Okay, don't always think that I have to become a scientist to become successful. You don't have to become a scientist. Make that scientific advance, make that invention more available to people, more better for people. That is very very important. Okay, so just follow some influencers in your niche, observe them, model them, so that your probability of getting success will be so high. Okay, just understand that. Okay, I hope you understood some part. Okay, how to create content and video. Okay, it's very simple. I don't have to focus much on it. Okay, so now is the important part. Okay, we have come to. Okay, black hat SEO. Okay, YouTube black hat SEO. From now on, it's very very important. Make sure you attend with very very attentively. Okay, make some notes as well. Okay, so there are two things. Okay, which can help your video to rank high. YouTube black hat SEO and YouTube white hat SEO. Okay, the name itself suggests black hat. Okay, it's against the YouTube terms and condition. Okay, if YouTube know you're using it, it might disable your account as well. Okay, but don't worry, it won't happen. Okay, but I'll say you don't have to use it every time. Okay, you don't have to use this methods, techniques, whatever you want, tricks or tips. You don't have to use this black hat every time on every video. Okay, it's just for some channels. If you are just getting started, if you want some boost up to your channel, if you want to get some views, initial views, if you want people to recognize you, in some videos you can use this techniques. In a month you can use it 3 times, 4 times, or in 3 videos or 4 videos, not more than that. Okay, don't excite yourself and don't use it in every video. Okay, I'm warning you at the start only. Okay, so it's against the YouTube terms and conditions, but you can use it sometimes. Okay, a lot of top marketers also use this, but they use it very, very often. So you have to use it very, very carefully. Okay, at your own risk. Okay, so the number one website, okay, to do the black hat SEO, okay, is SEO Clerks. Okay, so this is a SEO Clerks. When you go to Google, you can create an account for free. Okay, it's very self-explanatory. I'm not going into deep. Okay, after creating the account, just come to the search bar and just type, okay, YouTube. Okay, just type YouTube. Okay, so just wait for it to load. Okay, okay, see here it's very, very cheap. Okay, so what they will do, okay, I will blow up your YouTube video fast and safe. Okay, so in just $2 they will send you 1000 views. Okay, in just $1 they will send you 500 to 600 views. Yeah, this seller, Narayan Ram, okay, is a very, very good seller. He got good reviews as well. So you have to use these type of persons. Okay, even I ordered something. Okay, I will show you how many orders I have done. Okay, so that you will understand shopping. So wait 1 minute. Yeah, your orders where it is showing purchases. Okay, now it is not showing. Okay, I ordered a few months back. Okay, but I also ordered some views. Okay, for some videos. Okay, to get some boost up. Okay, but again I'm saying you don't use it on every video. Okay, use it on a video which is very, very important, and in a month just use it few times. Just 1 to 2 times is enough. Okay, and the cost is also very less. $1, $2, $3. Okay, very, very affordable amount. Okay, you can buy views and engagement. Just order 1000 views and get some comments and everything. You can just click on order now. You can talk with that person and they will help you out in doing that. Okay, within just few hours it will start and you will get the views. Okay, so but don't use it for getting subscribers or any other thing. Okay, only use it to get views and getting some comments. Okay, it's very, very affordable. $2, $1. Don't go for this higher amount. Okay, just check the how many how many reviews they got. Okay, and you can opt for that seller. Okay, so for getting YouTube views and engagement in the sense likes and comments. Okay, because when you initially when you uploaded a video, when you get views and likes fastly, so YouTube also think that yeah, this person's video is good, people are watching it, so YouTube recommend your video to other people as well. There's higher probability, I won't say it will recommend for sure, but there's a higher probability that YouTube algorithm will recommend your video. Okay, so this is one type of method. Okay, and the second method, okay, which you can use parallelly, ordering on Fiverr. Okay, go to a site called Fiverr.com. Okay, so the first thing you type is YouTube embed. Okay, YouTube embed. Okay, so when you type YouTube embed, so people are giving this service for 380 rupees, 400 rupees. Okay, it's a very, very affordable amount. Only for just getting a boost to your channel. Okay, initially you're spending some money, but it will help for your long term growth of your channel. Okay, just understand that. Okay, so the first thing is click on type YouTube embed. So what they will do, they will keep your video in different sites, okay, which are highly targeted sites where there's a traffic. They will keep your video in different sites. So what will happen, people will watch your video and YouTube can rank your video on the top. Okay, so that your video can become viral. Okay, so the next thing is type YouTube backlinks. Okay, go to Fiverr. Okay, and type YouTube backlinks. Okay, YouTube backlinks. So after embedding, okay, just go for this option, backlinks. What they will do, they will take your YouTube link and they will list your link in different sites. Okay, different sites. It's same like embedding, but it's somewhat different. Backlinks. Okay, I'm not going into deep what is backlink, but you can use this option as well. Okay, there are people who can do it for a cheap amount. Okay, and the next thing is YouTube promotion. Okay, just go to this site called fiverr.com. Okay, and just type YouTube promotion. Okay, YouTube promotion. Okay, so what they will do, like they will take your video and they will promote your video in different social media platforms. Okay, so what will happen if you do these three important things: YouTube embed, YouTube backlinks, YouTube promotion? There are higher probability that you get lot of views, lot of comments, lot of engagement, and probably your video might rank higher if you use this type of techniques in the initial stage. Don't use it every time, use it in some videos because it's against the YouTube terms and condition. Don't keep your YouTube at risk, use it only few times. I'm repeating this several times because I just want you to be aware of all these things. Okay, okay, so these are the two things which I shared with you. SEO clubs, you can use either this or you can use either this. Yeah, initially you are spending some money, I know, but the thing you have to understand for a long term, okay, why you are using it. Okay, you're investing in your business, you're not wasting the money. Okay, just understand that thing very carefully. Okay, so the next important thing is white hat SEO. Okay, the name itself says that white hat, you can use it easily, you can use it for sure. There is no restriction that you can't use this type of SEO. Okay, so how to use this? Okay, so I already said you, the number one thing which decides whether your video will rank high or don't rank is keywords. Okay, the type of keywords which you use on your channel. Okay, I'll go to this video, I'll go to your videos. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, I'll go to one of my video and I will just show you practically. Okay, so that you understand it very better. Okay, and I'll just come down. Okay, okay, yeah, so I'll open this video. Okay, WP Toolkit Traffic Guard. Okay, so here you can see title, tags, description, suggested videos, file name and keyword in the thumbnail, saying the keyword, outside traffic, subtitles. Okay, what's the importance of this? Okay, I will show you practically. Okay, so this is a video on WP Toolkit Traffic Guard. I'll just type Control plus F. Okay, and here I will type WP Toolkit. Okay, WP Toolkit Traffic. So here you can see. Okay, here you can see in the title. Okay, I have used the keyword. Okay, WP Toolkit Traffic Guard. Okay, this is in the uh, title. I have used the keyword. So your number one thing is you have to use the keyword in the title for sure. Okay, so the next thing is I have used the keyword in the thumbnail as well. Okay, see, this is a thumbnail which I have used for this video. So in the thumbnail also I have used the same keyword, WP Toolkit Traffic Guard. Okay, and in the description also. Okay, description also, see how many times I have used that keyword, WP Toolkit Traffic Guard, WP Toolkit Traffic Guard, WP Toolkit Traffic Guard. Okay, WP Toolkit Traffic Guard. So what will happen when you use the keyword in title, description, okay, tags, okay, on the thumbnail, okay, the higher probability that your video can rank high, okay. And when you come down, okay, in the tags also, okay, here also I have just mentioned this tags, okay, YouTube tags, okay. How to get this tags, okay? There is one site called Rapid Tags, okay. Just type rapidtags.io, okay. Rapidtags.io, just note it down, okay. Just click on this, okay. Just click on use tools for free, okay. Okay, so here I'll type WP, wait 1 minute, okay. Okay, yeah, WP toolkit traffic guard review, okay. So it will give all the tags, okay, tags, okay. So here you can just copy this tags and you can just keep it over here, okay. It's very simple, okay. Tags is also very important part in YouTube SEO, okay. And the next thing is file name, okay. Whenever you upload a video to YouTube, okay, whenever you upload a video, change the file name to the keyword name, okay. If you are doing a video on email marketing, your file name should be email marketing. If you're doing a video on push-ups, how to do push-ups, your file name should be how to do push-ups, okay. So what will happen when your file name is also same, the probability, okay, I'm not saying it will work for sure, but there's a probability that it will work, okay. And the next thing is saying the keyword, okay. So whenever you do a video, okay, you have to make a habit that you have to say the keyword multiple times in the video, okay. If I'm making a video on WP toolkit traffic guard, in my first 20 seconds I have to say that keyword with my mouth. Hi everyone, today I'm talking about WP toolkit traffic guard review. You have to say this keyword with your mouth with a good tone, so that YouTube algorithm recognizes your voice and it can rank your video higher. It might seem complicated whatever I'm saying you, but it will work for sure. It is recommended by a lot of top YouTubers, okay. So the next thing is outside traffic, okay. You have done this video and you should not sleep. Yeah, I have done video, I have used all these techniques, now my video will rank high. You should just share it, okay. Share it on all your social media platforms, okay. Share it to your own community of people, share it to your friends, whomever you want. Because what will happen when you share it to your community first, they will watch the video. When they watch the video, your watch time will increase, so that YouTube will recommend your video to other people also very easily, okay. So just understand that, okay. The next thing is subtitles, okay. You get the English captions in the video. How to get that, okay. Just come to the video part, just come to the settings, okay, and just come to channel, okay, advanced settings, okay, and come down, and here you have to, actually it will be off, okay. You should make it on, okay. You should make it on, okay. Auto generated captions, okay. So it will also help your YouTube video to rank high, okay. So now I explained you about the YouTube black hat SEO, okay. You can use some tools, okay, some keywords. I shared you where to order, how to order, and everything. You can use these sites for the initial boost up. And the second important thing is you can order it on this site called fiverr.com, okay. You can use these terms and you can buy, and you can get that views, comments, and everything, so that you get some initial boost up for your channel. And the second thing is white hat SEO, which you have to use it in every video. If you're not using it, then you are making a big mistake, because doing videos is important, but you have to make the videos so that people can watch it, okay. Yeah, I can say you like you will follow all these things. You might not get views, subscribers, and everything in your first few videos, but within some point of time you will get all these things, okay. Don't expect this will work in your first video only, okay. The probability, okay, the probability it will work if you have to do it consistently for 15 days, 1 month. Every day you have to keep a video, or else weekly, twice or thrice. Then YouTube also think that you are creating a lot of content for the people, you are helping people, and it will also suggest your video to other people as well. Okay, so just understand these things. Okay, so the next important thing is piggyback trending method. Okay, what is this method? Okay, you have to go for some videos. Okay, now if I want to make a video on affiliate marketing, okay, I'll just show you practically so that you understand it very better. Okay, I'll open channel. Okay, and I will type, okay, affiliate marketing. Okay, I'll type affiliate marketing. I'll type affiliate marketing. Okay, so here you can see, okay, the top video. I'll just click on filter. Okay, uh, and yeah, features live. Okay, you don't have to click on this. Okay, playlist video, there is one option, I think that option is not showing now. Okay, filter, video. Okay, yeah, these are all the videos, okay, which are ranking high. Okay, this video is ranking high for this keyword called affiliate marketing. So what you have to do, okay, by this method, piggyback trending method, you have to make exactly the same video like this. Okay, 6 best tips for affiliate marketing for beginners in 2020. You can make it for 2021. Okay, the thumbnail, you keep it same in the sense, not exactly the same. Okay, same in the sense, model it. Okay, watch that video, make some notes, uh, get that content, and just reframe that content in your own way. Okay, so you have to make exactly video, exactly in the sense the thumbnail design and everything should be same, the keyword should be same. Okay, content you have to make it somewhat different. Okay, don't do exactly same, because they might claim a copyright. Okay, they might issue a copyright on your channel, copyright strike on your channel. So you just model it, don't exactly copy the same, just model it. Okay, so what will happen, the people who are watching this video, the higher probability that they will watch your video also, because the content and everything is same. Okay, this is one type of method called piggyback trending method. Okay, it won't work in every time you use, but sometimes some of your videos can go viral. Okay, so you have to use this technique called piggyback trending method. Okay, remember that 60% of the videos you have to make, okay, with low competition keywords, and 40% you have to make in this method called piggyback trending method. Okay, just look for some videos which are already viral in the market, which have already got millions of views. Just you can make a similar content, similar thumbnail like them, so that people who watch their videos, they can watch your videos as well. Okay, I hope you understood what I'm trying to convey. Okay, so thumbnail. Okay, so your thumbnail should be good. Okay, the thumbnail should be attractive. Okay, when you see my thumbnail on this WP toolkit traffic guide, I given on expression. Okay, my facial expression. Okay, you have to give in the same way. Okay, you have to show your human emotion to people, like anything you want, you have to show some excitement, show some curiosity to people in the thumbnail. Okay, the number one reason why people click on your video is because of your thumbnail. If your thumbnail is attractive, then the higher probability that they will click on your video. Okay, just understand that thing. Okay, next thing is analytics. Okay, when you go to video, okay, when I click on analytics, okay, I can see all the stats of my video. Okay, so this video have got around 1500 views, watch time. Okay, I got one subscriber from this video. Okay, and average view duration. Okay, so only people are watching my 21% of the video. They are not watching my full video. After 2.18 seconds, okay, people are not watching my full video. So what's the reason behind it? I have to check. I have to check, and I should not repeat that in the next video. Okay, using this analytics is very important, because you have to know what mistakes you are doing. You have to know how people are engaging with your content, how people are consuming your content. Okay, so the next thing is reach. Okay, how many people it reached. Okay, you can see 1.5k views. Okay, I got YouTube search. Okay, 7.7% people searched for my thing. Okay, next is 83.2 people. I got external traffic. Okay, browse features and everything. Okay, traffic source. Okay, I got 0.6 percentage traffic from the Facebook. Okay, So you have to some of the suggested videos, okay, for this video, okay. So you have to look at all these things, okay. The next thing is engagement, okay. How many people are commenting on your video, okay. So what is mean by audience retention, okay. How much percent of the people are watching your full video? Only people are watching my 21% of the video, they're not watching my full video. So what I have to do, I have to rectify my mistake. Why people are watching that much percent of the video? Why people are not watching full video? I have to rectify my mistake. I should not repeat in my next video, okay. And the audience, okay. So you have to check the audience from which country they are from, okay. I'm getting 81% of the 52% of the traffic from India, Turkey, Pakistan, Malaysia, Bangladesh, okay. So you have to see the age, male, female, okay. You have to see all these things, okay. These statistics are very very important because you have to go with the data, okay. You have to go with the data so that you can understand the things very very better, okay. So this is all about YouTube SEO, okay. I hope you got some value, okay. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment in the comment section, or if you already know me, you can just contact me personally. I'll just try my best to help you out, okay. Bye, take care, keep looking for the next video.